It's Drapefit time, so if you want to see what they sent me and how it looks on, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy, that's Bandit, and Chloe just got back from school, so she's just relaxing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is Drapefit. They are an alternative stylist subscription service, alternative to, say, Stitch Fix and Wantable. They have lower price points. They do have a $10 styling fee. However, that you do not get that back. You don't get it off of your order. And they do have free shipping both ways. So I do get this for a $1 styling fee, and they do give me a $20 gift card to keep anything that I want, or to go towards anything that I want to keep. And, you know, it's hit or miss. I mean, sometimes they really nailed it, other times they haven't. It's kind of a thin box, so I'm thinking it's not going to have a lot of winter staples in it. It's going to be more summery, springy type clothes, but we'll take a look and see what's in there. Now, I do have a code down below. I believe it gets you $10 off, so it gets you that styling fee for free from your first fit. All right, let's check out what's in here. All right, here is that bag to send everything back. Now, it is UPS, not USPS, so that is important. I almost always send my mom to the wrong place, and they're like, nope, wrong place. So you do have to bring this back to a UPS. It doesn't have to be the UPS store, though. You can bring it back to any place that does UPS. And here is my packet. Like I'm saying, I'm not feeling winter in here. They did send me a holiday card. It says Happy Holidays. And wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the Drapefit family. It does look like, you know, they took the time to write that out. So very nice. Nice little extra touch. Didn't get one of those from Stitch Fix. I didn't get one of those from Stitch Fix or Wantable. So points. And then this is my price list. So the overall cost for this box is $148.40, it looks like. And if you keep everything, you get a 20% off discount. So the entire box will be $118.41. And then there's a note from Paulette, my stylist. And she says she chose a mix of festive colors, staples for your winter fit box. Okay, let's see what she's got. Very hard to get a sneak peek, but this is by TFS DOD. It does have a lot of ruffles. You know I'm not a ruffle girl. Not a ruffle girl. I think I've even given that feedback. I like the color, but I'm not a fan of ruffles. Next, by BMJL, we have this bright pink. Now, you know, obviously that's my color. Do love a pink. I like this style. Like the fabric. Don't like this ruffle here, though, but we'll see. By Vine and Love. I don't think that's real me. Not really me. Also looks quite large. It says it's a size 12, but yeah. This is by HYFVE, and this looks to be some unlined white pants. Now, I do say unlined because that's important to know, because unlined pants, you're gonna see underwear, you're gonna see stuff through. So I don't tend to enjoy that. And then this has no tag, but super cute, little brown cardigan. Has a little bit of a puff sleeve, but I don't mind that so much. It is a crop, but if you wear something underneath of it, that could be doable. I'm going to get to trying these things on, and I will be right back. I'm back with that first cardigan. This is just what I had underneath of it. That obviously does not look so good. It also is kind of a smaller fit, so I'm thinking this is probably a junior's, hence the fit issue with it. Otherwise, I like it otherwise, but I think that's a little bit problematic for me, is how close it fits. Also, fabric's itchy. This is the button-down cardigan sweater. This is a size extra large too, and it is $32.99. So not my favorite fit. All right, let's try something else on. I am back now. I did try the white pants on. They are, when I tell you they're high-waisted, the waist is here. Okay, here's where my bra ends, here's the waist. So it is a super high waist, which is not very comfortable for me. I don't really care for that. Otherwise, I mean, they're nice pants. They're also a little snug. And so, you know, with a lot of the companies that you're going to get from this brand, you are going to need to go up a size or two. A lot of these are things that are kind of like a made in China type brand. So, you know, sometimes you will get like an H&M or a Loft or a Ann Taylor, but a lot of the stuff is, you know, more of kind of the fashion styles that you would get from Shein or Amazon or something like that. So you always need to size up a little bit, which is why I've never changed my sizes with them as I've lost weight. And these are kind of snug, so I'm only going to keep them on for this. I don't want to bust anything, but they are, and I mean, look. All right, so y'all that like high waists, do you like that? No. Okay, so these are the high-waisted, straight-legged, cropped pants in a large, and that is $28.90. And I'm going to guess that this is the V-neck short sleeve top in a size 12 for, yes, for $28.90. So the pants, because they're cropped, are the right length for me, but again, the fit is just not right. I can't even tuck this with this because, I mean, how ridiculous is that? No, absolutely not. Top is big, not really my style. It's cute, but not really my style. I will try it on with my jeans though to give it kind of a fairer shake, but I am going to go ahead and get these pants off and put my jeans back on. So I'll be right back. All right, so here I am with the jeans with that top. It is cuter, but I just don't know that this is the right top for me. I feel like the fit is just kind of off for me, and I don't know, the colors everywhere. I'm not quite sure that that's for me, but we'll try on the other two tops and see which one is. I am back with that purple top. I don't mind the ruffles here. It's here that I'm not sure about, but they're not as awful as if they were up here. That just tends to add some weight to me. This is the V-neck 3/4 bell sleeve tunic top, size 10, $28.50. So the price is nice. Give it a little tuck in. I do like the color, but we still have that pink top to check out. So let's check that one out and see which one is the winner. I am back with that last top, and I mean, the sleeves aren't so bad. based upon where they are. I do like this style very much. So I don't know, I'm thinking this might be the top. And this is the V-neck ruffle short sleeve top in a 12, and that is $28.99. So I would end up paying $8.99. So I don't know, guys, what's your thought? I like the way that this kind of fits better than the purple one. The purple one I do like, but the material is such that it's much more close fitting. And you know, I still got a belly here, so I'm going to hide that a little bit. This material is a little bit more kind of flowy, so it doesn't cling right there. So I'm thinking this would get some nice use underneath cardigans. And honestly, if this bothers me so much, those can always be pretty easily removed by my mom. All right, well, tell me your thoughts though. What item or items would you have kept? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.